Okay, my peeps, let's make some watermelon macarons. So I'm using a mold. I'll leave a link for that mold. I got it from Amazon. So you're going to need some pink and green clay. You don't need this mold. You can do macarons by hand. I have a tutorial. You just can find it on my channel or on my Facebook page, on TikTok or Instagram. Anyways, so I got some light green clay. So you just can mix some green clay with a little bit of white and get you this light color. This light color green. So I always use a macaron that's just almost to the size of my macaron, just so that the filling won't go too much over. Okay, that's why I use that cookie cutter, and I use like to make sure that it's not gonna like come out too far. The cream is not gonna come out too far. I just want it to be right in between my cookie cutter, my macaron. So now we're gonna make the little watermelon seeds. So you just need a little bit of black. Now if you want to make your seeds to be uniform, this is what I did. I rolled it out thinly between two craft sticks, and I got a straw. And basically I cut out as many seeds as I want, and the same size, so that way your seeds, when you roll them out and when you form them, they're going to be all the same size. So you're just going to roll it into like a little teardrop, flatten it out, and then just stick it on your macaron. So now for this one, I only did 4 seeds, but you can do more than 4 seeds if you want. You can do as many seeds as you want. And on one of the macarons, I did do it with more seeds, and I didn't like the way it looked. You guys know I'm pretty much a minimalist. I like it's pretty simple. And then you guys could just jazz it up the way you want. But yeah, I only did 4 seeds, and it's pretty easy, especially if you use a straw and you have them all at the same size. See how nice they look? So that's the macaron. You can leave it plain like that if you want, but I'm gonna add some green lines just like on the watermelon. Just, as thick or as thin as you want, or you don't have to put the lines if you don't want to. I just figured, you know what the heck, let's just go all out watermelon, you know what I mean? So just do all the lines. Make sure it's a little darker green than what your clay color is, okay? And that's it, y'all. We got us a watermelon macaron. So as you can see, that one got more seeds. That one up there got more seeds. That one is plain. It doesn't have any watermelon lines. And then you got the watermelon lines. So you can do it whatever way you want. Jazz it up however you want. But make you some. Talk to you soon. Bye.